Yes, one.
Do you have a lighter?
I
light
think
your
we're
candles?
past the lighters. We're past that. We don't need to light it.
Well, how are you going to light the candles?
I'm not.
Okay.
Just demonstrated.
Oh,
without
okay.
the-
Okay, all right, I'm sorry.
No problem. Okay, well, you say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Hello, welcome to the ZIA Cooking Kitchen. We are at it again with all the lovely kitchen solutions, and I'll tell you what, I got the hack man back here, and he's got some tremendous something special.
But I don't know if it's tremendous.
I think it's
But
gonna
it
be.
helps. So, this may be for most of our Midwestern listeners or
Okay.
viewers
Right.
and East Coast listeners when there's really bad weather.
Yes.
In the Southwest here, we have 360 days of sunshine
Most of the time.
most of the time, and the electricity is hardly ever off, right?
Right.
But there was one, what group do you belong to? The New Mexico?
New Mexico recipes.
Yeah, and there was one person who said, hey, my electricity is off and I gotta do something. What am I gonna do now? I
Right.
can't cook if I have gas. So, very easy hack.
Okay, let's see
Very
it.
simple. Muffin,
Muffin pan. Great.
regular muffin pan. Put a couple tea things in there
Oh, the tea light candles.
and then light them. Put that on there. And it's not like a stove, but it will do. And I'll tell you
Yes.
why. I lived in the Midwest on a farm.
Uh-huh.
I was out of electricity for a week and a half.
Oh my gosh.
This saved our life. I gotta go.
All right, I
See
love
ya.
it. I'm so glad that you came by. And you know what? This is another thing I'm going to use, whether I lose electricity or not, because I always have so many people over. I'm going to start keeping my food warm on these pans. See you guys later.